Let's take a look at this multiple choice question from farhatlectures.com. Meridian Capital buys a corporate bond. Its documented business model is to hold the bond to collect the contractual cash flow, which are solely principal and interest. Under current IFRS, the bond is classified and measures at what? Well, it's IFRS. So the first thing, if it's IFRS, we don't have held to maturity anymore. Under IFRS, under GAAP we do. We don't have available for sale. Notice I was able to eliminate two answer choices just by knowing held to maturities and available for sale are no longer IFRS categories. What we're left with, amortized cost and fair value through profit and loss. If we are going to wait to collect the principal and the interest, how do we treat it? How do we classify it? We amortize the cost of this bond, and any interest goes through the profit and loss, the income statement. So we would report this bond at amortized cost. We don't report it at fair value. It's useless. Why write it up and down if we are going to wait until that bond mature? No reason. Just wait until the bond matures. You're going to get the face value of the bond. Therefore, the category is amortized cost, and it's that. What should you do now? You want to go to Farhat Lectures, look at additional resources. If you're taking this quiz on Farhat Lectures, you would ask the AI to help you explain the topic, explain the correct and incorrect answer, and create a similar MCQ for you to practice. Whether you are studying for your CMA exam, CPA, accounting student, the best investment you can make is invest in yourself, invest in your career. Stay safe, and God bless.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.